What's happening, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the new Duracell MyGrid wireless charging system. While charging your devices on this system. So for this you need to have this charging plate, which is the MyGrid charging plate. You also need a power sleeve for your device. We've got one for the iPhone 4, and you also get some for various versions of the Blackberry. And if you just want generic power attachments, then you get the power clip, which is a micro USB power clip which fits into any phone. You also get several clips for Nokia devices as well as Samsung devices, so you can get those clips according to your requirements. So the most important thing out of this whole package is this power plate, which allows you to charge up to 4 devices using the Duracell MyGrid system. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. To look at the box first, it's the standard Duracell colors. You have basic instructions on the back side, how to use the clip, how to use the device. It will support all voltages from 110 to 240. We've already got this package open, so I'm just going to simply pull out the charging plate. First thing you get is the operations manual. You also get the standard power adapter. Power adapter is universal and can be replaced with an adapter of your choice. This gives a 15 volt output, so all you need is a 15 volt adapter with this kind of plug and you're all set. And the most important thing in the package is, of course, the Duracell charging plate. Here it's a very slim charging plate, as you can possibly see. All you need to do is place it on the table and place your devices with their power sleeves on it, and you're all set to charge. I'm going to demonstrate that in just a minute. I'm also going to show you what the cases look like. So first you've got the iPhone 4 case. So in this box you get the iPhone 4 case. It's got these pins sort of on the back. It does have a rattling sound in the case, so that may bother some people, but that's thanks to these free motion pins over here that will transfer the current from the charging plate into your device. You also have the Apple 30-pin jack at the bottom of this sleeve already there, and you have 2 holes over here. These are supposed to enhance the audio quality from the iPhone. They considerably increase the speaker output because of some design that they've implemented. It's just a hollow tunnel sort of situation that possibly amplifies the sound, gives it a loudspeaker effect. You have your basic cutouts for your camera. You do have a cutout for the silent switch. These buttons are overlaid in the silicone cover itself. It's fairly soft. It's a silicone rubber. It's fairly soft and sturdy, and it fits the iPhone well. I'm just going to put it on the iPhone 4 right now. So the first thing you need to do is plug in the 30-pin adapter and then push in the device. As you can see, it's a very nice form fit and it kind of protects the device from all places. It's also raised and it covers the front of the device as well a little bit, so if your device does fall flat, your phone is covered in that aspect. The silicone cover does not add a lot of bulk and is fairly slim, as you can possibly see. It does add this little portion at the bottom which is intended for the 30-pin connector, but I seriously do not mind this cover at all, and in fact it's a great cover to have for your device. So I'm going to place that on the side right now, and I'm going to quickly power on the charging plate. So you've got the plate powered up, and all you need to now do is simply take your device with the cover and place it on the plate, and you'll see it starts to charge up. Absolutely brilliant. It works with all sorts of devices, and you can charge up to 4 devices if you can find enough space, and you don't need to have the device completely on the plate as well. You can remove it from the plate and you see it stops charging, and all you need to do is have the 4 points at the bottom connect to the plate, and that's it. So you can place up to 4 devices, finding space according to your requirements. I also have the Blackberry board 9900 here, and I'm going to test that with the micro USB pins. I'm going to pull those out. So in the package you get 2 sorts of pins. So if your connector is upside down, which is the case with the Blackberry 9900, you get a T5 connector, and if it's straight you get a T6 connector. So according to your requirements you can choose. So they're nice enough to give both sorts of connectors. These micro USB pin connectors are adjustable according to your device, so you can do that adjustment as well so that it's a snug fit. So all you basically need to do is plug it into your device like so, and you'll see that there is a gap here, so you push it in and it's a snug fit now. And what you need to do now is connect this connection plate to your device like that. You can also permanently have this on your device by using this double-sided tape which they've already installed on this connection plate, or you can just leave it like that. Since it's magnetic, it's not going to fall off. But if you plan to leave this connector on, then we recommend that you do stick it. Even though if your connector is stuck on the device, it doesn't matter, because you can still pull out this micro USB port, because this is connected via a magnet and it's not physically connected. So you can have the back plate on if you don't have more than one device, and you can just pull out the micro USB pin. Anyway, that doesn't matter right now, because all you need to now do is just place the device on the mat, and you can see it starts charging up. So it'll charge all Blackberry devices, it'll charge the iPhone 4, and the cover is also available for the iPhone 3GS if you still have that. You also get clips for multiple devices such as Nokia devices and Samsung connectors. So you can choose your connector and the clip. We ordered this offer, so you can get the charging plate for about 1,000 rupees, and you can get the micro USB pins, which gives you 2 pins and 1 charging connector, for about 500 rupees, from 500 to about 1,000 rupees depending on what you're looking for. If you live in the UK, you can get these for £10 at Argos. The charging plate is going for £9.99 at Argos, with the cover going for just £4.49 at Argos, and also the micro USB pins. So that's £9.99 for the plate, as well as £9.99 for an iPhone 4 sleeve, as well as the micro USB pins. You also get a price match at Currys and PC World. So if you manage to find these at Currys or at PC World, you'll be able to get a price match from them. In the US, these will again sell for about $20. They're available on Amazon, so you can get this on Amazon for about $20, and the combination of these two things for about $20. Brilliant thing about this charging system again is that it's absolutely slim and it looks really nice. Replacement to the power mat, which was recently launched. It's really expensive. Power mat starts at about $70 just for the power mat, and then you need to get the accessories, which are about $30-40 each. Charge up to 4 devices with this. This is not induction charging. It uses these connection pins at the back to complete the circuit to charge the device. The other thing that is important in this is that it will stop charging once the device is 100% charged. So that's also a brilliant thing that Duracell has done. So once your device is fully charged, it automatically stops charging, so you don't need to constantly have your device connected to the charger. It'll stop charging your device. So that's something that we really like. So there you go, guys. This was a quick unboxing video and hands-on with the Duracell charging MyGrid plate. This is a wireless charging system. You don't need to connect your device to any wires or any plugs. You do, however, need to have the sleeve or the connection pin in your device. And fairly cheap system, and looks really good. It's really sleek and thin, and will look really nice on your table. As you can see, it's fairly slim, and this does not release any current and will not electrocute you in any fashion, so don't worry about that either, even though it's powered on. And as soon as you remove the devices, it stops transmitting current. It'll save your electricity as well. And as you can see, it's razor thin. It won't take up much space on your table, and it gives you a docking station kind of situation. For more unboxing videos, reviews and tutorials, log on to iGyan.in and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/iGyan, youtube.com/iGyanTV. If you have any questions or queries, you can log on to our forums at igyanforum.com and leave your questions over there. If you have any comments or feedback, please go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. And you can connect with us on Facebook, Twitter and or Google+. So the links to those are in the description below or at the end of this video. For iGyan.in and for iGyan TV, this has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you for watching.